I will share with you a 1K per month game plan right now. This is a takeout out of my course in my free community. You can find the link down below, and I'm gonna explain you right now the plan, the path through which you can get to your first 1K per month inside of your Skool membership community. And if you would like to get more lessons like this one, join my free community. Down below is the link right now so we can hang out and support one another. But I enjoy this explanation of how you can get yourself with your first 1K per month with your Skool membership community. Now we're gonna talk about a 1K per month game plan where I'm gonna share with you how you will start signing your first paying members, become consistent with it, and get to 10 VIP paying members, providing you with 1K per month. And of course you're gonna also sign a few mini premium members. Throughout this course, if you follow it correctly, you could achieve this milestone in the next 1 or 2 months if you can achieve consistency with your daily effort. The goal here will be that you invite 30 to 100 free members into your free community, and if you get that many, you will upgrade a few of them to join your premium, and the goal is 10 to become your 100 a month or whatever your VIP is. So you created a mini inner circle of 10 people now who are on your VIP plan, and you are making 1K per month through your membership community. That's the whole goal. I want to measure this success here with you, and this is the goal of the course that you are going through right now. So remember, right, 30 to 100 people in your free Skool, that's how many people we're gonna need to invite into your community, and I'll explain you where from and how to approach growing your community, because it's all gonna be based on increasing invites. So we can then, out of those 30 to 100 who joined your free community, right, we're gonna get upgrades, right? This is the first thing that we're gonna work on. That's the first part of the course. Invites and upgrades, right? We're gonna master that. And then we're gonna also master how to get people results and collect testimonials from them. And later on, that's a VIP task, is how to get referrals from your existing members, right? But we're gonna cover all of these 4 points already in this course. And these are the statements that are gonna guide us, right? Listen, look, if our goal is, right, to invite as many people as possible into our free community, so out of those who join, right, we then get upgrades. What are we gonna say to people to join our free community, first of all, right? We're gonna tell everyone, hey, I run this kind of support community on achieving this outcome, for example, manifestation mastery. Would you like to join? Here is the link, right? Here below, I'm gonna tell you a few ways through which we share this message to people, right? By creating content, by DMing people, by sending emails. We'll talk about those things later, right? But right now I just want you to understand the statement through which we're gonna be inviting people to join your free community, right? Again, hey, this is how you master your manifestation. I run a community on it. You can join it. Click the link down below or so, right? So that's that statement. Now, how to upgrade those who join your free Skool community into premium or VIP? You're gonna simply say, hey, would you like to go premium so we work together, or so you get guided on this journey of yours and we work on you creating success transformation, and you leave me a testimonial in exchange, right? So you see what I say, I exactly know what to say to someone. For example, if I create a content piece, I'm gonna expand on this topic. If I DM someone or tell them in the DMs that they can upgrade to premium, I'm gonna say this same thing. Or if I scheduled a call and I'm gonna be on a call with someone one-on-one, I'm gonna tell them, hey, you can join VIP and I'm gonna guide you. You're gonna get access to a weekly coaching call. We're gonna work together so you actually transform your life. And if you do so, I would like to get a testimonial from you that you share inside of our community so everyone else can be inspired as well, right? I already know what to say, and you're gonna learn what to say to people as well going through this course with me here. And here these 4 points are just quick one statement points so you know what to say to anyone in any of these stages. But later here in the course you're gonna also learn the expanded versions of what to say to people. And we already wrote a few of those posts when we created your course, right? You know, the invitation to premium, invitation to VIP, and so on, right? Now, if you upgraded anyone, you worked with them, your goal is gonna be that you get them a result. And when someone is gonna achieve certain breakthrough, by the way, I'm gonna teach you down below here how to get people results, how to coach, right? That is a lesson, creating case studies, how to coach people, how to then collect testimonials, right? You're gonna simply say to anyone who is succeeding through your program, or someone you're gonna ask them, hey, can you share your breakthrough, your win inside the community so you can inspire everyone else, right? Post your win there in the community category win section, right? That's one way, right? You're asking people to post wins, but I often ask people, hey, you achieved this breakthrough. Would you like to go on a quick 10-minute Zoom call with me, and I'm gonna record it. We're gonna record your transformation, and I'm gonna put that video on my YouTube channel to inspire everyone else, right? And if you're willing to do so, I'm gonna coach you and guide you even further so we expand on your transformation even more. So that's how you get testimonials. Then how to ask people for referrals. Right? On a daily basis, you could say to anyone who is succeeding already through your program or who just joined your community, hey, do you know anyone else who would benefit of this community as well? We could invite them into it, right? So it's more of us here going through the program, and we are all enjoying transforming our lives together and hanging out in this community. And for those later, I have an advanced VIP course, right? We actually turned the affiliate feature on Skool, that through which we pay commissions to those who referred more people, right, into our community, so they are incentivized to then refer even more, and they are paid commissions. More about that in the advanced lesson. So do you see how this is going so far, right? Inviting, upgrades, results, and then later getting referrals from people as well, right? The golden key, that this is our guideline, the golden key, the North Star mini idea goal. If you invite, upgrade, you get people results. If you get 10 testimonials from people of how you helped people transform their life, and you feature those testimonials on your Skool About page or inside your community or on YouTube channel or anywhere else, right? Those testimonials will be seen by anyone else who is joining into your free community or anyone else who is considering to upgrade. They will feel like, whoa, heck yes, I would love to go VIP or premium. $100 for me to transform my life is nothing at all. I'm seeing so many people succeeding. Heck yes, I want to join premium or VIP as well. So your goal is to create 5, 10, 15 case studies, testimonials throughout this course, so more people will say, yes, I want to join this person's premium and VIP as well. I see that it's working, right? That's the goal for you to achieve throughout this course. Not only you're going to create 5, 10, 15 case studies, testimonials, you're going to also get yourself with 1K per month income, right? And that's what we're going to work on as part of this course. In the next lesson, you're gonna now learn a process here through which you're gonna sign your first paying member. I'm gonna teach you first how you will sign your first paying member, because that 5-step process is gonna teach you fundamentals of how to sign one member at a time. And if you master that, then you're gonna sign the second, third person, and so on. Also, in the next lesson then, you're gonna learn the idea about winning the numbers game. If you only do the 4 C's every day. 4 C's meaning content for inviting and upgrading and so on, chats through which you engage with people, and maybe you send them the link to upgrade to premium via a chat, or maybe you tell them, hey, let's go on a call, or maybe you invite them to a webinar, right? You're gonna do the content, attraction content chats. You're gonna learn how to do calls, right? One-off calls, maybe sign one person at a time if needed, if you're starting out, or how to run a webinar call. Because one-on-one calls or webinar calls are pretty similar, except that you're either speaking to one person at a time or you're speaking to many, but you provide those many on a webinar call with an offer to join your premium. Many will then join, and if you knew how to close one, you're gonna know how to close many, right? So calls, classes, right? Webinar classes, but also classes here could mean your coaching classes or your webinar classes. Yes, help, coach, guide through these 4 C's, right, on a daily basis. We're gonna work on doing this consistently daily, these 4 C's, and I'll show you what are the metrics that you want to hit daily and weekly in the next lessons, so you're always progressing, people joining your community, invites, upgrades, results, and referrals, right? And then later on in the next course of mine, we're gonna also set up automations in place through which you are sending unlimited traffic, right, to your free Skool page. You are automatically getting upgrades through an automated email sequence, and you getting referrals from your members and a few other advanced things as well, right? If you enjoyed this video, I have more lessons like this inside my free community, where I teach you how to set up your Skool membership community that's optimized for ascension. Someone can join your free community, they see the welcome post, the premium invitation, upgrade pinned post as well. They can go through your free course, and they are often invited to upgrade, right? And you're gonna learn the organic way of growing your community, getting those upgrades, and also automated ways through which you can grow your community. Join our Skool community by the link down below, and I'll see you there.